Welcome back to Broncomania, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a redo. I actually was editing this video the other day, and man, it was just horrible. It was windy, and even though I have a dead cat on this thing, it was still terrible, and it was overexposed because it was super bright light. Hopefully this isn't too bad. So we were going to do an unboxing of something called Bubba Rope. So unfortunately we're not going to be able to unbox it with a boxing knife and take it all apart that same way, but we are going to do a quick review of it and show you what we got. And again, thanks all for subscribing, all of you that have watched and all of you that have liked. I appreciate it, and keep liking and subscribing, and we'll get this content out to more people. But let's just get to it, and let's do a little quick review of Bubba Rope. So like I said before, we already cut this box open live, so there you go. We're not going to cut it open again, obviously, so this is all been opened once. Sorry about that, guys, but I just figured you guys would rather have a higher quality video. So again, this is Bubba Rope, and let's grab it all out of here. All the little parts we have. First up is this Power Stretch Recovery Rope. It is got a 30% power stretch. Man, it's a thing of beauty, man. Look at the work of art this is. If you guys can see that or not, that is just beautiful. There's just a nice job constructing this rope. It's designed for shock loads. It's super lightweight. I mean, this is not heavy at all. Let's see what else we got here. This is made to the military specs. This is used by the military. And obviously a lot of four-wheelers. There is no metal in this rope whatsoever. And the diameter on this says it's 7/8, and it's good for 28,600 pounds. It fits 1.5 to 3/4 ton trucks and SUVs, so well within the range of this 5,000 pound Bronco. Got a little Velcro belt on it. Let's see what this says right here. Bubba Rope, Bubba, 7/8 times 20 foot. Yeah, this is a 20-foot rope. One thing about off-roading here in the Ozarks is that when you're on the trail, there's just not a lot of room sometimes. It's not like off-roading out west and you have a lot of room. So the recommendation is for 20-foot ropes out here. Just because you might not have enough room to hook your rope up and to make it actually work if it's a 30-foot rope. So most people around here use the 20-footers. This is made in USA, and it's www.bubbarope.com. So super nice. It's part of what I got here. Next thing is what this is. This is some more off-road recovery gear, and what this is a tree hugger. And basically what this does is when you wrap this around a tree, it prevents you from harming the tree. That way we are taking care of our trails when we're off-roading and not doing damage and stuff. This comes with a free duffel bag, which is one of the things I wanted other than this tote bag. But so in this one, let me see if I can find out if this is any ratings on here. Let's see here. This is a 3-inch by 6-foot tree trunk protector strap. Breaking strength of 47,000 pounds. Made of polyester webbing. Protective Cordova jacket. Let's see here. This is a low stretch piece of equipment, unlike this high stretch piece of equipment. Okay, And then last, we got what they call the Gator Jaw Pro. And this is a 7/16 inch, 45,000 pound piece of equipment, you know, for your shackle. One thing nice about this is not going to shatter. It's not made out of metal, and also made in USA. And it's about 10 times lighter than a regular comparable shackle. It's safe for saltwater or freshwater or marine use, UV and abrasive resistant. So again, that's your shackle. And there's your tree hugger with the accompanying duffel bag. Here's your stretch rope, 20 foot, 7/8, 28,600 pounds. Super nice. Nice Bubba Rope tote bag. Let's see what it says on here. A faster, smarter, safer way to get your truck unstuck. I kind of like that. Little Bubba Gear sticker. And this actually has a warranty serial number with it. So this is a warranty piece. And gear out. Let's just put it all back in the bag. And you can get these in kits as well. I kind of piecemealed mine because I just wanted it a certain way. And there you have it. Bubba Rope. Well, that's it for our quick review and our re-unboxing, kinda, of Bubba Rope. So, kind of final thoughts. From what I can tell, it is a really good quality product, well made, made in USA, and just manufacturing wise, they did a great job, looks like. Obviously, we really won't know until we use it, but from all the reviews I've seen, and being that the military uses it, it's going to be a really good product. So I highly recommend it from what I've seen so far. Obviously, I'm not going to get out of my front yard here. My neighbors would think I'm kind of nuts if I try to test it out. But sooner or later, we'll get on the trail, and hopefully it won't be us using it. Hopefully we'll be pulling somebody out with it, but you never know. So we'll see what happens there. One other thing is I want to say that I purchased this Bubba Rope and all the accessories with my own money. Nobody sent that to me, so I want to make sure that's clear. But until next time, Broncomania.